Has your loved one received the proper training? Do they work at height or in confined space? Do they wear breathing apparatus or conduct atmosphere testing? In the event of an emergency, will they know what to do? More importantly, are they going to come home in the same fit and healthy state in which they went to work? At ISH24, we understand how important workplace safety is, not just for your loved ones, but for you and your family. That's why we've built state-of-the-art training facilities with exceptional training equipment to give your loved ones the best hands-on experience available. We're committed to providing the best quality training. We offer nationally accredited courses for confined space entry, working at height, gas testing atmospheres, and rescue training. We'll even go on site and set up the training scenarios there. Tell your loved ones today about ISH24 to ensure they receive the best quality training. With ISH24, you're in safe hands. Call 1300 001 201.